हेलो एवरीवन, डॉक्टर ब्रदर्स क्लासेज में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर मोहन भाकर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ बॉटनी फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट गर्ल्स कॉलेज तारानगर। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ईडी पाथवे, एंटनर ड्यूडोरोफ पाथवे या ईडी पाथवे। ईडी पाथवे is a metabolic pathway that operating या present in prokaryotic, not present in eukaryotic, only present in prokaryotic, especially in gram-negative bacteria such as Pseudomonas, E. coli, Rhizobium. These gram-negative bacteria, the ED pathway mostly present in these bacteria. ED pathway that is also an alternate of glycolysis pathway, because ED pathway that is describe an alternate series of reactions that catabolize glucose, that is 6-carbon to pyruvate, using a set of enzyme that is different from glycolysis. In ED pathway, 6-carbon glucose that convert into 3-carbon pyruvate, that is similar to the glycolysis, but the process, pathway and using of different enzyme. That's why we can say ED pathway that is alternate of glycolysis pathway. ED pathway discovered by Antner and Dudoroff in 1952. In ED pathway, the starting product that is glucose, that is 6-carbon. Glucose convert into glucose 6-phosphate by using 1 ATP. यहाँ पर एक ATP का कंजम्पशन होता है, and glucose 6-phosphate that convert into 6-phosphogluconate. 6-phosphogluconate and इस रिएक्शन से NADPH का फॉर्मेशन होता है। 6-phosphogluconate कन्वर्ट होता है 2-keto 3-deoxy 6-phosphogluconate, that is also known KDPG. KDPG that is an intermediate product of ED pathway. KDPG that can direct convert into pyruvate, that is 3-carbon, and KDPG that also convert into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, that is GAP, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, and after that glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate convert into similar process that is present in glycolysis. That is similar process that is present in glycolysis. In this process, 1 NADH and 2 ATP molecule are formed, and the end product that is pyruvate. That's why in ED pathway 6-carbon glucose molecule, that is starting product, convert into pyruvate. अब हम देखें कि ED पाथवे का नेट गेन क्या है। ED पाथवे में एक ATP हमें प्राप्त होती है, 2 ATP का फॉर्मेशन होता है और एक ATP कंज्यूम होती है, तो नेट प्रोडक्ट 1 ATP 1 NADPH एंड 1 NADH। एंड अगर हम ग्लाइकोलाइसिस को देखें, ग्लाइकोलाइसिस में 2 ATP का फॉर्मेशन होता है नेट गेन और 2 NADH का निर्माण होता है, तो यहाँ पर ATP का फॉर्मेशन ED पाथवे में ग्लाइकोलाइसिस की तुलना में कम होता है। इस चैप्टर की समरी हम देखें तो ED pathway that is present most only in prokaryotic, not present in eukaryotic cells. That ED pathway that we can also say alternate of glycolysis pathway, and the net gain of ED pathway that is 1 ATP 1 NADP and 1 NADH. In ED pathway, the net gain of ATP is less than glycolysis. Thank you.